Good morning, this is my presentation.
Tell us about yourself.
Hello, my name is Steven Amorde Garcia. I am 28 years old. I am from Colombia. I study logistics process coordination. I have experience in product distribution. I am responsible, organized, and respectful person. I like to work in it and always try to do my best in every task. I enjoy learning new skills because I living knowledge is very important for my future. I am also committed to my goals and work hard to achieve them.
What motivates you?
What motivates you most my desire to improve my quality of life and support my family. I am also motivation by personal in professional growth. I like skill goal and working hard to achieve them. Learners need skill and taking on new side experiences my everyday.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies and travel by motorcycle, spending time with my family and listening to music. I enjoy visit new places and having new experiences. I also like exercising, use friends, and meeting new people. I am free time I live to relax outdoors and enjoy nature. These activities help me feel happy and balanced.
What are your future plans if you get this job?
If I get this job, I want to work hard and contribute the company. I want to learn from my team and improve my professional skill. My planning, my plan is to work inside the company and taking more responsibility in the future. I believe this opportunity can help me build a strong career and have valuable experience.
What are your future goals or what are your career goals?
My future goal is be leader in knowledge and apply my share. I want to continue studying and developing my abilities. I also want to gain more experience in operation and teamwork. In the pros, I work to hard or work pushing work. I can help improve company profit and export all days in the world.
What do you see as a major success in your life?
A major exact I my life continued my studying world working. It has not been easy, but it has made my score in more discipline. This experience has taught go to match my time and still focus on my goals. I feel proud because I am investing in approach and building a better life.
Why did you leave your last job?
I leave my last job because I was looking for better opportunities. I go to work professional and learn new skills. I believe that she can help people improve and discover new skills. I am always searching for places where I can contribute and also continue learning.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself in high position with more knowledge and experience. I want to be a professional with strong skills in knowledge. I also want to personal stability and continual helping my family. My goal is to be a scale. I'm proud of every I should. Thank you.